you know, not gonna do anything.
Next up, the Sterling quad. 2 each of 19 and 20. Bowman Sterling.
Just need a mob of people to come to the house. This is a great idea I'm coming up with. Everyone just says, like, I need that, I need that. Okay, here.
You hold the garage sale, but just give everything away. Wow. Now that I know all this, Sam, I'm going to keep my eyes open next time I come over.
Then what'll happen is, like, someone will want, like, I know for a fact in a box in the garage I have a funny empty energy drink I got from Japan with, like, a Japanese guy yelling on it or whatever. And someone will want that. I'll be like, I don't want to keep that.
I don't want to hang on to that one.
That's not a joke. I do have that in my garage. There's 1,000 things like that. Yeah. It's funny, actually, when I was in Japan, I had that. It was full, like it wasn't opened. And I wanted to take it home, and they stopped me and like, you got to pour that out. So I opened it and poured it out and still kept
the thing. I had an uncle who lived in Japan for a long time, and he sent me a full can of Star Wars The Phantom Menace R2-D2 Pepsi.
Wow, that's awesome.
I think that's still around somewhere. It never opened or leaked or anything, so.
So much crap. I've done the whole thinning out too. I've gone out and, like, you know, thrown out half of it. It's somehow still the same amount of stuff.
Yeah. The thing for me is I'll always like Dominguez base. Riley Green, nice one. Oh, Chris G. What's up, Chris G? If you're watching later. I have a table in my house that whenever I get stuff from eBay or whatever, I open it there and like just leave the cards on that table.
Yeah.
I clean it all the time and it's just constantly piled with stuff. Or I'll pick stuff up.
The first pack?
Yeah.
Robert Rookie, Jason, and the Riley Green.
Yeah. Or I'll like take out the boxes and be like, oh, there's probably stuff in here that I should look through to send a PSA or.
Yeah, Lisa, what I was talking about. Yeah, I know.
Brock Burke, Anthony Volpe.
I have like stupid special edition video game things I bought, like all these Warcraft collector's edition. I look at them like, oh, I love that thing. I'm like, what am I doing with that? Honors football? No.
Jordan rookie.
It was online only.
A blue Cannon Smith to 25.
They took it away from us and made it online only.
10.
I mean, I could have ordered it online, but then like I order it for $1,000 a box, and then it sells for $1,001 a box. It doesn't. Can't give you guys a good deal on it.
This is interesting. We have another insert and die cut combination. Bobchette to 99. There's no rookie logo on that, huh? C. Rossi. And the die cut is Nico to 99.
Yeah.
Oh, UCCF got the Cubs.
Nice.
Do you have any die cut Nikos from Sterling yet?
The docket is Pirates? Oh, he's not in this cover. Nico die cut. Somewhere the Nico teens are cheering.
The Nicaraguans.
Somewhere the horn dogs are happy.
Oh, cool. There's a Bobachette to 99. Sparkle. C. Rossi. And a Matthew Lugo.
That's got to be the only player in CSB history that got
Fanny.
2 to 3 nicknames.
Yeah, that's true.
Two nicknames and one not nickname, but for some reason it gets thrown out every time.
The best one, you mean?
You go wrong ones. Makes no sense. There already are Nicaraguans.
It's spelled different.
and they're not fans of Nico Horn. Horn dogs only exist to root for.
Oh yeah, there's no horn dogs in the world.
Well, not Hoern.
Yeah, Nicaragua is spelled differently too, right?
Oh yeah, there's
an A.
So
yeah.
See, 22 for Adley Sky Blue paper and 56 for the Chrome. Remember, I said that Sky Blues, they're gonna go up.
What did he say, Chew? Something about how they're like. He said it's something about liking the team. They have the better team by like a mile.
Managua, Nicaragua.
It's over, yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, did you see Team LeBron has Giannis and Luka? And...
I have paid no attention to any of it. I don't care. The All-Star Game's stupid. I don't watch it. I liked it better when they had the West versus East. I don't like the picking teams thing.
No?
No.
You don't think it's funny that the two Jazz guys got
that is
for
funny.
The last two picks?
That's funny. In fact, I'd almost go with Harp. Well, I don't know if Harp said this, but I like the Futures game better. That's the fun game.
It is. That is fun. Toussaint to 199 and Schnell. Tim. Yeah, I actually don't love the NBA All-Star Game either.
Mm-hmm. I don't like it because it's USA versus the world. I just like seeing all the young guys. Watching NBA players do layups and dunks all games is boring.
Yeah. Dean Kremer to 75 orange. Lawrence. And it's always like Reggie Miller or whatever on the call.
Yeah.
It's no good.
And I hate to speak ill of the dead, but all those years when Kobe would just try to win the MVP, like take the most shots, get the most points.
Yeah. Vlad rookie. Oh yeah, that's the other aspect of this stuff. Lawrence.
Described basketball. I'm more of a post-ups guy, Big Cheese. I like to see the big men get down there and jostle for position.
There's a Wander base.
Yeah, I like the pick and roll. I like the, slap the two hands on the ground like I'm about to play some defense kind of thing.
Cole Wynn to 99. Big Duke fan, Sam is.
Mm-hmm. College players are nerds.
Jackson Kowar. Leviathan. I forgot about 19 Sterling having Tatis rookie cards and parallels.
Well, yeah.
Too.
Funny.
He doesn't have autographs.
Funny you should mention that because I was doing the default ranking and the Padres were like 15th and I was like, no. Like from our old pricing, I was like, man, where would you put them? Where did they end up going? Yeah, fifth. Yeah. That might have been where
And they have like CJ Abrams in 2020. They have like some other guys.
Yeah, I mean Sterling, it's like $4 or something a box.
It's not like insanely expensive.
That's why this was my pick of the night.
Yeah,
this break because and actually he's only gone up like 25% or 30%. Every other Bowman that's good has gone up 200%. Mm-hmm. Did you see that I tagged you?
Yeah.
Pick to click. Pick to click. I know that's your favorite. This is a Sam pick. And I thought it before I posted everything. I was like, this is going to be my one. And it was the slowest filling break of the night.
Yeah, it's weird because this one was slow. And
goon.
Tim bought a bunch of spots. And then the other one, Tim didn't even see it. And it filled like right when we started breaking.
What was I going to ask Red Raider? Red Raider, when's the Dallas show? Is that next weekend? The bi-weekly Dallas show? Bi-monthly Dallas show they have now?
Joe Ryan. Tim.
Next weekend, yeah.
Jordan. Urquidy and Cannon Smith.
Buy us a bunch of PSA 10 Rizzo Heritage fourth year.
18 Heritage Rizzos. Robert Rookie.
That's the thing. When those shows get big, there's more cool stuff, but there's 10 times more crap.
Yeah,
Apparently.
that's true. Dre Jameson. Tim. Yeah, do they charge like covers for those shows now? Probably. They'd be dumb not to, really.
Only for the Three Doors Down concert that happens at the end of each night. Google Dolls on Saturday.
Look at this thing. Wander non-auto to 99 Sparkle. Tim. And Grant Gambrell. Leviathan.
Any of them, Tim. All of them. I'm just predicting the next thing. Some genius out there is going to be like, wait a minute, Sky Blues, there's only like 20 of them graded for all the top players. That's the next thing.
Luis Patino to 75.
You'll see.
HD.
Trying to give you guys a tip. I feel bad because I blew it not telling everyone to buy into Top Shot, which, you know, made everybody millionaires.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to make up for it now.
Sam and I included. We were on that earlier.
Yeah. Two boxes? That's cool. Wait, the Shining Fates? I hope you called them bozos and left. Give it a hoot. Isn't it already graded too? What costs are there? Well, we have our storage fees.
He's just trying to sell it, you say?
Battle something. Yeah. Huh. Pokemon Battletoads. That's why they do the lowballing, because people take it.
Mm-hmm.
And then if they don't, then someone else comes along and takes their new lowball for a different card. Sword battle styles. Ooh. Like when everyone used to get mad about the pawn shop guys with their lowball offers. You know that show, Pawn Stars?
Mm-hmm.
It's like, well, then don't take it. They'll just wait for the next person that comes in. Does take it. You see, the problem is people take the lowball offers.
Yeah. McKay to 199. Tirso Ornelas HD.
Aren't I, though?
Andrew Nisner to 125. Steve Nebraska.
BCCF says I'm delightful.
Oh, that's the auto. Totally ruined it. Gave it away. Pete Alonso, rookie. Victor Mesa. UCCF.
Adolescence. I know. You remember when people were like, we need to get kids back in this hobby?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
Uh-oh. You're going to take some heat. I'm on your side, but Andres Jimenez to 99.
You know what we need to get kids back into? Nothing that we're into.
Victor Mesa Jr. to 150. UCCF. Back to back. You got 3 Victors the last 2 packs. And Orelvis Martinez. C. Rossi.
Oh yeah, both of the Mesas. Well, that started out pretty good with the autographs, and then
Well, we had Volpe, Riley Green, Cannon Smith to 25, the Nico die cut, Patino, Victor Mesa Jr., and Victor Mesa, Nisner, Ornelas, Gambrell, Jameson, Cannon Smith, Joe Ryan, Coar, Cole Wynn to 99, Bannon, Kremer to 75, Schnell, and Lugo. Orelvis Martinez, and the non-auto stuff, Dominguez, Robert, Wander to 99 from 2020. I like that one. Another Robert. Bichette to 99 rookie. We had some good rookie stuff.
Rookie
Bichette
stuff.
to 99. Well, you want to do the next one?
sure.
A little change of pace for the